tale ago. This is a fast look through this set. This set is number 60090, and this set is really small. But let's see this first. This is, I never see like this. This is half plastic, half rubber. You see, this can bend, this cannot bend. You have this diamond here. You seen it? Now let's see this. This is good, and here they have a diamond, and these are good, and the man can put, you see, oh, no, my flippers, and you see, and let's see another look, and this is 2 pieces. What you see at here, and let's see the man. This is lots of pieces for one man for this small set. It is a good set. I know it is a good set. Oh, and this is the man. Thank you for watching.